I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Let's make something to eat. Let's make something to eat. What are you making? What are you making? I'm making breakfast. I'm making breakfast. Can you wash the vegetables? Can you wash the vegetables? Sure, I can. Sure, I can. Where is the knife? Where is the knife? It's on the table. It's on the table. Please cut the onions. Please cut the onions. Okay, I will. Okay, I will. Are the onions ready? Are the onions ready? Yes, they are ready. Yes, they are ready. Can you peel the potatoes? Can you peel the potatoes? Yes, no problem. Yes, no problem. Where is the pan? Where is the pan? It's in the cupboard. It's in the cupboard. Put the pan on the stove, please. Put the pan on the stove, please. Okay, I'm doing it. Okay, I'm doing it. Can you add some oil? Can you add some oil? Sure, just a little. Sure, just a little. Is the oil hot? Is the oil hot? Yes, it's hot. Put the onions in the pan. Put the onions in the pan. Okay, I will. Okay, I will. Can you stir them? Can you stir them? Yes, I can. Yes, I can. What should I add now? What should I add now? Add some salt. Add some salt. How much salt should I add? How much salt should I add? Just a little. Just a little. Can you pass me the spoon? Can you pass me the spoon? Here you are. Here you are. Is the food ready? Not yet. Give it a few minutes. Can you check the rice? Can you check the rice? Yes, it's almost ready. Yes, it's almost ready. Is the water boiling? Is the water boiling? Yes, it's boiling. Please turn off the stove. Please turn off the stove. Okay, I will. Okay, I will. Can you make some tea? Can you make some tea? Sure, I can. Sure, I can. Where is the sugar? Where is the sugar? It's next to the tea. It's next to the tea. How many spoons of sugar do you want? How many spoons of sugar do you want? Just 1 spoon, please. Just 1 spoon. Can you pour the tea? Can you pour the tea? Yes, here you are. Yes, here you are. Let's have breakfast. Let's have breakfast. That sounds good. That sounds good. Can you set the table? Can you set the table? Sure, I will. Sure, I will. Where are the plates? Where are the plates? They're in the cupboard. They're in the cupboard. Can you clean the kitchen? Yes, I'll clean it. Yes, I'll clean it. Please wash the dishes. Please wash the dishes. Okay, I'll wash them. Okay, I'll wash them. The kitchen looks clean now. The kitchen looks clean now. Yes, let's relax. Yes, let's relax.